Yo, what is up guys? It is ADMMRZ here. This is my second time using this Canon Rebel T6 and it is pretty freaking awesome. So thank you for joining and tuning in to my first video, my first vlog here. I was going to be doing tacos and tequila. Cincinnati's best tacos and tequila, but we're postponing that. We're going to be moving that to next weekend. This weekend, well, it's Sunday. Honestly, and Sundays are always my chill days, so I figured I would take you to some of Cincinnati's best hiking spots, best chill spots. Yeah, let's go. What is up guys, it is ADMMRZ. As you can see, I'm out here in the middle of nowhere at the Caldwell Nature Preserve. It's a beautiful area. It's actually a beautiful day to be out. I like these overcast days where people are just kind of more inside, just because obviously I'm not antisocial, but I like hiking without a lot of noise and dogs and stuff around. Definitely getting some amazing footage out here. This is honestly one of the most beautiful places that I've found in all of Cincinnati so far when it comes to hiking. It's definitely pretty serene, pretty quiet, but yeah, show you some awesome shots I'm getting. What is up guys, ADMMRZ back here. I hope you enjoyed that video of me just showing you some of this beautiful area. Really quickly, I wanted to talk about why I took you out here today. Why am I showing you nature videos other than it having to be a huge part of me? I wanted to let you guys know that I feel like too many of us in a society feel this great, anxiety, this anxiousness. I don't even really know how to describe it, and then the slight sadness, depression, and I feel we're just so overstimulated in this world. I mean, from our cell phones to our jobs to our social lives, literally everything is kind of overstimulating us at this point, and we just get constant content and information. I think it's very important for us to just take some time to step away from it all, you know what I mean? Just step away, and be out in nature, be out. It doesn't even have to be nature, to be honest with you. It just has to be a time to where you can set your thoughts and your problems aside and just focus on being here, being alive, being content, being grateful, because as everybody knows, gratitude, well, as everybody should know, gratitude is probably the biggest thing that I feel we miss as a society that we should have more gratitude for what we have, because we don't live in a country like Afghanistan, and we have these many resources and we are blessed to have this. But yeah, I think it's very important for us in the 21st century just to take some time, you know what I mean, to get outside. I mean, I challenge you to 30 minutes outside sometime this week. Doesn't even have to be in one day. It could be 5 minutes, for 6 days. And there you go, now you got it set, but at least you're taking some time for yourself. So if you've been needing a sign for some self-care, to really just, put all other people's priorities away and put yourself first, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this first vlog. I am sweating out here. The Cincinnati humidity is no joke, even on a day where there's no sun outside. But yeah, peace out.